Everyone, my name is Priyanka Verma, mother of Vanya Verma. She studies in class preparatory E. About this spinner activity, we really had a great fun making it, and Vanya made it herself, and she loved filling more beautiful colors in it and making it more colorful. So overall, it was a great activity to do, and Vanya really had a great time making it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is regarding the feedback for the digital summer camp organized by DPS Kanti Road. I am Harpreet Singh Johar, father of Rehat Kaur of pre-nursery B, old batch, and this is regarding the feedback about the digital summer camp conducted by the teachers, the principal of DPS. It was really a very appreciable job done by them, because due to this lockdown, children were stuck at home and they were not able to go out, they were not able to meet their friends, what they made in their first session this year, last year. We prepared a file also for the activities done.
Namaskar, we are grandparents of Gurleen Kaur Uppal, student of class 4B DPS Kanti Road, Nagpur. I must say that DPS has done a wonderful job during this lockdown by connecting with their students through the digital media, trying to teach them, giving them various types of activities, trying to teach them craft, dancing, etc. It was a trauma to be in the house at this lockdown period, which caused a lot of stress to the children, and to a very great extent DPS was successful in offloading same. And particularly on the Mother's Day, the program conducted by DPS was simply fantastic, because the children could pay tributes to their mother, and that was put in the YouTube and shared among the others by the digital videos. So it was wonderful, and special thanks to DPS for their activities. Thumbs up to them.
Thank you, teachers and principal.
Myself, Dr. Manish Dipani.
Dr. Sakshi Dipani.
We, the parents of Tejas Dipani of class 3rd H of Delhi Public School, Kanti Road, Nagpur.
The digital summer camp was a great initiative by the Delhi Public School, which was started during the this lockdown period. It had helped the kids to learn various activities in the field of art, fun, craft. Children had enjoyed a lot, along with the various subjects covered during the studies. It had also helped the children to learn various activities like the making of masks from the different geometrical shapes and many more. Children had enjoyed a lot. Along with it, the daily routine morning activities like the daily prayer and exercise had helped the children to keep them mentally and physically fit. Start.
Hello everyone. Words are actually falling short for the initiative being taken by the whole DPS fraternity for keeping the kids constructively engrossed in the wake of this COVID-19 pandemic. I know things would never have been easy for the teachers also to coordinate among each other before the beginning of this online classes as well as the summer camp, conducting summer camp. But DPS just stands exemplary in coordination, I must say. Keeping a gaze on the situation, I hope the same would continue for a few more months. I wish all the teachers a very happy and a positive association with each other to keep the things sailing as before.
Namaste. I am Namrata Nagpurkar, mother of Dhruvika Nagpurkar, the student of Standard 6E, Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road. At the outset, I wish everyone a good health in this current situation of pandemic. We are certainly thankful to the frontline warriors, doctors, medical staff and sanitary workers. We should also be thankful to our children who have managed to stay inside in spite of being used to being outdoors most of the times. For this, I am thankful to the school for actively engaging the students through the online classes. Dhruvika attended all the online classes and tests, which kept her fruitfully engaged throughout the day. The school also engaged the students in various fun-filled activities in yoga and fitness.
Activities of DPS has been very innovative and a good learning for kids. My son Athar has been groomed during these days. Especially the story framing activities was very nice. Now my son Athar is using new vocabulary and is constructing a very good sentences. I am thankful to Reena ma'am. She has been proactive throughout this online sessions in lockdown period. I am also thankful to entire management and teachers who have put in their efforts for the growth and development of the kids, especially in this toughest days of lockdown. Thank you, DPS Rock.
Hi, this is Vikram.
Supriya, parents of Rudra Rao, student of 2nd F.
We are here to thank Team DPS Kamptee Road, Nagpur for the initiative taken a summer camp for this lockdown period. It did not only make students proactive during this lockdown period, but also engage them on daily tasks on different daily tasks on daily basis. And we are really thankful to the class teacher Seema ma'am for being accessible for every time and for everything. And we really appreciate the efforts taken by Kamptee Road. Thank you so much.
Today I want to show my gratitude towards all the teachers of DPS Kamptee Road, Nagpur for organizing and commencing such an educative and knowledgeful online sessions and workshops which kept children active and channelized their energies in a productive manner. Else it could have been difficult to hold them back in this situation of house arrest. My daughter Avya has enjoyed each and every activity with full enthusiasm and excitement, and she eagerly looked forward to get the activities. Though she performed all the activities, but enjoyed most making an advertisement of a sanitizer. We are happy and glad to be associated with DPS family and really want to appreciate the great effort of all the teachers. Kudos to the DPS team.
Hello, I'm Sheetal, mother of Shaurya Bagde of grade 6F. During this period of lockdown, proper channelization of our kids' energy had become a very important question for us as parents. I think DPS shouldered this responsibility by conducting a wide variety of online activities. The school conducted the activities by keeping in mind the current situation where nobody had to step out. The available technology and resources were put to use in the best way. The activities covered almost all spheres of life like science, nutrition, cooking, craft, music, dance, and much more. These activities not only help in keeping these creative little minds occupied but also help in their physical and mental development. I want to thank DPS for their initiative to continue the learning and development of students during this.
Studying in class 5th F. As we all know, the whole world is fighting with COVID-19, and during this pandemic situation, we cannot step out of our homes. So, in this situation, the Delhi public has planned some fun activities for the kids, and we are extremely delightful and thankful for all the great initiative taken by the school. So, from all the families, we are wholehearted, thanking all the teachers and the staff. Thank you so much.
Myself, Mrs. Geer, guardian of Miss Isha Keval-Ramani, studying in class 7th G. Innumerable efforts by the teachers in digital summer camp has brought up the confidence among the students. Morning prayers has built up the good habits in children. Drawing and some other artistic activities has brought up the hidden skills in the students. Activities like dance and music has been very useful in nurturing the teen spirit. Last but not the least, it was the great efforts done by the teachers, and they left
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepa Prashant, mother of Arna Prashant Gadpale of class 6G. It was a good experience for my daughter learning through digital summer camp organized by school. She explored many things which are focused very less in academic sessions, especially the performing arts like music, dance and other art activities. So the best part of digital summer camp was she was able to learn and explore herself more even during this lockdown period and learned how to use technology in a proper way. Thanks to all school authorities and concerned teachers for their efforts and timely encouraging and boosting up the kids to bring out more productivity out of them. So lastly, thanks all, stay safe, stay healthy.